So ito yung needs natin for today's activity. So 3, male to male, jumper wire, then the DHT22, this one, then the Arduino Nano, then the download cable, and of course the breadboard. So ito lang yung needs ninyo for the sample activity. Position this way, and then you have to push as hard as you can. There. Ayan, it should be like this po. Dapat walang makikita sa ilalim. And then after that, yung position po ng ating DHT22. So take note, positive, out, and then negative. Pwede siya dito, pwede rin siya dito, and dito. It's up to you. But I suggest closer to the Arduino. Kasi short lang yung mga jumper wire natin. Ayan. So ganyan lang. And then, let's first connect. So first, positive. There, it's positive. It's connected to 5V or 5 volts. So you have to connect it to 5 volts. Then after that, this one, the out. So positive and then out. Ayan. It should be connected to digital pin number 2 or D2. It should be like this. It's quite simple since this is the basic. And then last one, the negative or GND. It's connected to, of course, GND or ground. Ayan. And then you have to make sure to push this a bit. Ayan. So it should be like this. I will repeat. The positive that is connected to 5V or 5 volts. The out that is connected to D2 or digital pin number 2. And the negative sign is connected to GND. That's it. Now, let's connect the download cable to our Arduino and to our laptop. So once you connect your Arduino Nano to your laptop, make sure to choose your board. It should be Arduino Nano. And then after that, tools again, choose first Atmega 328P. If that is not working, pwede mo siyang palitan ng Atmega old bootloader. Okay, but you have to try the 328P first. Okay? And then lastly, port. And then make sure to check the COM. Sometimes COM3, COM6. So make sure to check. And then lastly, go to library. That the DHT sensor library, naka-install po dapat siya. If hindi siya naka-install, you have to install. Okay? If naka-install naman na, no need na. So click mo na lang ulit ito. Okay? And then after po nyan, you can now check and compile or compile. And then the arrow is to upload the code. Uploading. Yan. So done uploading. Once you upload the code to your Arduino, upper right side, click the serial monitor. Yan. Once you click the serial monitor, it will display the humidity and temperature here. Ayan. So, mag-change po siya little by little. Lalo na kung i-close mo po yung DHT22 ng kamay mo or hihingahan mo, mag-iiba po yung temperature talaga. So, that's it for the basic for Arduino DHT22.